Everyone thinks you need a fancy degree or years of experience to make real money. That's completely false. Today, I'm showing you 5 business ideas that regular people are using right now to build serious income. The first idea is deceptively simple. Automated micro-businesses. Think small vending setups or self-service kiosks. Low overhead, passive income. And most people completely overlook this opportunity, sitting right in front of them. The second idea is all about digital income streams. With the right laptop and a few smart tools, you can build revenue that keeps growing while you sleep. This is exactly how ordinary people are becoming financially free. Third, small-scale production. You'd be surprised how many people are running profitable, home-based operations with minimal equipment, turning a simple setup into a consistent monthly income. If any of these ideas caught your attention, subscribe now, because next week I'm breaking down 2 more ideas that most people will never discover on their own.